In my presentation, I'll be focusing on the general home science, and my colleagues will be talking about the every specializations, what is the scope and the demand. I'm very happy to inform you that is every year the demand for home science is increasing. Because earlier, I used to see that is people had many misconceptions about the home science. It is just cooking and stitching. But I'm very happy to tell you that slowly, we say that people have started realizing the value and the opportunities in home science. Now, the home science is holistic, opportunities at every level. It is mind challenging and equal of better than other regular careers. So there's a holistic approach in the home science. It's very challenging, and there are a lot of job opportunities in the field of home science. Now, I don't know how many of you are aware about the scope and demand for the home science. So let us focus on this. See, what is the home science? It is a challenging, dynamic, and it has a various scopes. It's a professional programs and mainly focusing on the specializations and multiple subjects and the super specializations in it. A home science curriculum has been developed keeping in mind the industry requirements and latest trends. This is totally the skill-based program, and it is updated as the demands of the industry. And I would say the basic important area of the home science program is the internship program. It's a mandatory, it's a part of the curriculum. So the students get the hands-on training, and in fact, after the internship, they are placed in the various industries. The teaching learning process is rigorous. Why I would say this? Because it is not just the lecture method where students have to do lot many projects. They have the seminars and use of information technology, industrial visits, projects, and the guest lectures. So it is very interesting. That is, that there are various methods used where students develop interest and students get to learn what is happening around. So with this you will understand it's a professional course. It's an interdisciplinary program because you have nutrition, you have textiles, you have human development, you have hospital development. This is interdisciplinary program. And it is also known as home economics and the Faculty of Family and Community Sciences. Internationally, it is known as commonly entitled as human ecology and consumer science. So you will understand from these titles that is all over India, these home science programs are recognized. They are named in the different nomenclature, and also abroad, the home science program is popular. These are the various colleges. I just focus on the Mumbai, which are the colleges offering the home science programs. Of course, as I said earlier, there are various universities in India offering the home science program in the name of home economics or other titles. Now, when do you join this home science program? As it is also offered at junior college level, but after 12th, as it is said in the earlier programs, like in science also, after completing your 12th, you can join this program of BSc. It's a BSc Home Science in the specialization. And it's the medium of instruction is English. And it is 3 years program. As you're aware, now everywhere it's a semester pattern where you have 6 semesters and the credit-based system where most of the colleges, they have 120 at the UG level programs, at the undergraduate level program. And as eligibility, you have to pass your higher secondary certification program or any MCVC program also, and then you can join the program, as you are aware about which are the colleges offering home science in Mumbai. Now, let us look at what are the specializations offered in home science. One is food science and nutrition, then human development, textile science and apparel design, and resource management. In every specialization, you will have the sub-specialization areas. Like you see in food science and nutrition, it is nutrition and dietetics, sports nutrition, then facility management. Then in human development, you have early childhood education, counseling. In textiles, you have fashion apparel design, merchandising. Then under resource management, you have hospitality and interior designing. These are the subspecializations offered in the specialization. As I said earlier, internship program varies from 1 month minimum to 2 months, where you get hands-on training. Now you see, this is resource management. You have Trident, Oberoi. These are some of the examples I'm sharing with you where the students are placed. The Nariman Point is ITC Grand Central Parel. Then under textiles, you have Grasim Industries and the Textile Lab. Then you have ambassadors like Kitchen, Hinduja Hospitals. Then for human development, you have Shishuvan, then you have schools, then Kamla Nehru School for the blind at Dadar. These are some of the examples. The area is vast. Now, these are the specific the job opportunities you have in these areas. Of course, the experts will be dealing in detail about it. You can glance through which are the areas where you can work. And after BSc, and of course, as you all understand, even after MSc, you have a better opportunities after completing your MSc or PhD. These are the specific areas: designing, merchandising, fabric coordinator, sampling, and production manager. Under human development, the counselor, which is, as you are aware, in most of the schools and colleges, the counselor is must. These are the specific areas under human development. The hospitality management, there is a lot of demand. The travel agencies, front desk job, receptionists, housekeeping, aviation industry, hospitality and cruise liners, and even managers. Now, as like other programs, we also have further scope for PG diplomas or B.Ed, MSc, MPhil, and PhD. So there's no end to it. There's a lot of opportunities for going for the further education. As in Times of India, you're reading regularly, there's about a startup, right? So there's a lot of opportunity for doing the startup, as we say, the entrepreneurship. There's a lot of scope in the entrepreneurship development. And as common for all, there's the teaching also, there's a lot of demand and a scope for academic institutes and research in the respective field. This is the place I can help you. And this is the address to get the information. But one message I would like to give you all: whatever area, whatever specialization, whatever degree program you decide, be passionate, that's the most important. Be sincere, as there's no shortcut for hard work. And realize your potential, realize your value, and then accordingly select. Many times I've experienced the students are going, "Meri friend idhar ja rahi hai, main bhi idhar ja rahi hu." Please don't do that. Realize your potential, understand what is area of interest, go for the aptitude test and decide. And wish you all the best, and thank you so much.